I got a short video here about this Saxsion wrist strap for mobile phones or mobile phone cases. And so here is what we get. The special thing here is that's a very advanced construction with two pieces. One is inside of the case and one is outside. So the thing which we have inside is this really flat thing here. So instead of this mess which I currently have, remove this here, it's definitely at end of life. So that's what we put here inside. You can see, just push it down, doesn't take up any space. And then I put my phone just normally here inside, while we still have this small part here. Just push it down inside, and so this is how it looks. You can see when I bend it down, it leaves the charging port fully open. That's awesome. And then on the other side we get this really massive, beautiful hand strap. I mean, you get even two of them here in this set. And also the hand strap has two really good functions. First thing is 360 degrees rotatable, and second thing is it has this really nice carabiner hook. So the easy thing is that we can just align it and then push it here inside, and it's already done. Absolutely amazing, easy to hold. Yeah, this is as good as it gets, and you definitely don't have to be worried about holding the weight. I can tell you, you can pull pretty much as hard as you want. You can't pull it out here. It's at least as secure as with a normal strap, just more flexible and more beautiful. Yeah, I've always been waiting for such a good solution, never found one, and now finally I have it. So definitely very easy to use, easy to release. Yeah, this is as good as it gets. So full recommendation from my side, so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.